Hello, my name is Dr. Dan Goloszewski of Power Chiropractic Health Center. Today I'm going to be demonstrating a manual traction adjustment for Ben's left knee. So after doing a detailed history and assessment, it was determined that he has some compression of the medial meniscus and the anterior compartment. So to perform the traction adjustment for the knee, and again, anyone suffering from knee pain, fibromyalgia, or arthritis can benefit from this adjustment. We simply apply a little bit of motion. We ask the patient to hold and stabilize on the table. And with this, I do a light pull, and from there, just a quick little pull, and sometimes we'll get a release of pressure there, a little popping sound will be heard, or you may not get that. And it's very gentle, very safe, and as simple as that.